konnichiwa. Watashi wa Nika desu. So you just heard that I introduced myself using Japanese language, and now I'm going to teach you how to speak Japanese language step by step. We will start from lesson number 1, vocabulary words. Watashi means I. Watashi. Watashi tachi means we. Watashi tachi. Anata means you. Anata. Anohito means that person, he or she. Minasang means ladies and gentlemen or all of you. Minasang. Sensei means teacher. Sensei. Kenshusei means trainee. Kenshusei. Sang means Mr., Mrs., or Miss. Sang. Dare or donata means who. Dare. Donata is a polite word of dare. Donata. Hai means yes. Hai. Iie means no. Iie. Denki means electricity or electric light. Kikai means machinery. Kikai. Jidosha means automobile or car. Jidosha. Computer means computer. Computer. Sengmon means specialty or specialization of study. Sengmon. Sai means years old. Nansai or oikitsu means how old. Nansai. Oikitsu is a polite word of nansai. Noun plus wa. Wa indicates what the speaker is going to talk about or the topic of a sentence. Example. Watashi wa kenshusei desu means I am a trainee. Another example is Watashi wa nika desu means I am nika. Noun plus mo. Like wa, mo indicates that the word or phrase to which it is attached is the topic mo is used. However, when the same thing or event is already presupposed to be true. Example, Tanaka-san wa Nihonjin desu means Mr. Tanaka is a Japanese. Another example, Kimura-san mo Nihonjin desu means Miss Kimura is also a Japanese. We remove wa and change it to mo. Desu. Desu is used at the end of the sentence, ending with a noun or an adjective and indicates judgment or assertion. It is also conveys that the speaker is being polite towards the listener. Example, Watashi wa sensei desu means I am a teacher. Desu is affirmative. When you want to say I am not a teacher, you will say Watashi wa sensei de wa arimasen because de wa arimasen is a negative form of desu. Interrogative sentence. There are 3 kinds of interrogative sentences in Japanese. Here, we will learn the following 2 kinds. Interrogative sentence with the particle ka at the end of it. Anata wa kenshusei desu ka? Means, are you a trainee? Hai kenshusei desu. Or, yes, I am a trainee. Iie kenshusei de wa arimasen. Or, no, I am not a trainee. Interrogative sentence with an interrogative. Ano hito wa dare desu ka? Or, who is he? As you can see, there are 2 interrogative in the sentence. Rao-san desu. Or, he is Mr. Rao. sai. When referring to age, the counter suffix sai is attached after the number which indicates the age. In asking a person's age, the interrogative noun is used as nansai. In asking a person's age more politely, oikutsu is used. When replying to this type of question, sai may be omitted. Tanaka-san wa nansai desu ka? Or, how old are you, Mr. Tanaka? Watashi wa 28 sai desu. Or, I am 28 years old. Or you can say 28 sai desu or 28 years old. That's the end of our lesson number 1 Japanese language tutorial. Just comment down below if you want me to make another video for lesson number 2. And please support my videos. Just click the subscribe button down here below and hit the tiny bell for more updates. Thank you so much and see you next time.